Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create anime style image with just a message with a prompt text in Canva. So here we go. You can open your Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. First step, you can click apps and click AI powered. So here we go. There are a ton of AI powered app. One of the app is anime style. So you can create anime style image with just a message. Anime your way from beginner to expert otaku. Use words or simple phrases to design your own characters. Explore new style and share your passion with the world. So let's try with use in new design. Let's create in whiteboard. So here you can describe the anime image you want for. So let's type something here. Now let's create. So please wait, this may take a few seconds. So maybe you encounter this error, couldn't create your image. Please try again, make sure you have a good internet connection. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.